Hello people, today we're going to be playing Animal Hospital with my friend. Okay, let's do this. Waiting for players. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you look so weird. Hero wing. Okay. Paper. Picture. What do you look like? You evil? No, you're not. Okay. I'm gonna get some coffee. Cause it's delicious. Room 1? Okay, let's go. You walk so slow. You walk so slow. And I type so slow. Ooh, what does he need? I'm gonna be at the front desk. A person. Hello. What do you look like? Okay, normal. Okay. Here you go. Room 2? Okay. Anyone coming in? No? Okay. I'll take care of this person. Let's do this. Wait a second. I didn't go to college. How am I supposed to be a doctor? Sir? You're in the wrong hands. Eye drops? You're coming to the hospital for eye drops? Kidding me? Oh my gosh. Boom. Get better. The doctor's arriving. Oh my goodness. Hey doctor, could you do this for me? Cause I don't know how to do doctor work. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Hello, Dr. Harlow. Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. Oh my gosh. Speaking of strange. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay. Hey. We did. Excellent. Yeah! Yay! What? Hey. Oh, close the door. No, no, no. Close, close. Get out of here. No, no, no. Get out. Yes, I'm serious. Yes, I am. You're mad? Yeah, you should go. Okay. Open. Hello. How do I see that name? You have an appointment? Okay. No, 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 no. Look. Look at the photo. Wait. It was creepy. Okay, let's see. Okay, he's normal. Check the cams. Okay. Yes. He just needs some more sleep because he's got bags on his eyes. I'm gonna take care of this guy. Come on, get in your hospital bed. Yeah, go. I'll be taking care of you. Hurry up. I don't got all day. Go. You want a run fast soda? Because you're very slow. Get to your room. Wait, is there anyone in there? No. Room 5? Oh, okay. 4. Boom. Bam. Oh, it hurts? Well, too bad. Okay. Yay. This computer looks so old. Rash? You could have bought the ointment at a pharmacy. Why are you here? Here you go, and go away. I am such a great doctor. Rathu, what's up? Yeah, you take care of Rathu. Hello there. Yeah, what's up? You do? I don't see it in the papers. Yeah. Okay, you look fine in the picture, but... Okay, you look fine. You have 2 different color ear, but I think that's normal. Wait. You're sick. Yeah, you're normal. Sorry for doubting you. Here you go, Molly. Goodbye. Room 1? Okay. I'll open the door. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's that thing. I'm gonna go here. Look in the corner of the screen, guys. You see that? That's not normal. Okay, but I can still do my job. Dr. Harlow said if things get strange, just keep working. Just like when you're down in the dumps, just keep swimming. Canadian? Oh, maple syrup, okay. Could have just bought it from the store instead of coming here. But most of the patients already do that, so you're fine. Oh, that's my coffee. You're not having my coffee. Doctor's arriving? Okay. Could you please finally help us? What's in that bag? What's in that bag? What? Tell me. Ooh, coffee. But I already have it, so. Cute. I'm opening new blah 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 for you. The blah 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 blah. I don't care. Oh gosh. A store. Chocolate. Yay! Sounds like ice cream. What's these? I'm broke. I'm broke. And I'm broke. Wait. I have money now. Extra check-in window. I'm too broke. NPC speed. Let's go. They're not slow anymore. Oh. No, no, no. You're not. No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay, close the door. I don't feel safe. Rejected me? How dare you? Yeah. Go away. Go away. Matthew, what's up? Yeah, I'm not a guy. Yeah, I know your name. Your advice? Don't trust anyone here. You're a one here? So you're telling me not to trust you? Well, I still trust you, so. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, you look normal. And here you go, Rafi. And I'm gonna follow you to see if you're fast. I mean, you're a little bit fast. Kinda worked. Okay, go. Go. Go, Rafi. Hurry. Hurry up. Hurry. They're still a little slow. Go. You're having a surgery? Okay, my first surgery. Let's go. Oh, this isn't the surgery room. What's in here? Break poster. Why would I do this? This cat's beautiful. But I'll do it anyway. Oh my goodness, it's safe. Wrath, you take your DNA. Let's do a test. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Got this. What are you? Oh, you need UV drops? I have no idea what that is, but I'll give it to you. So, this UV drop, bandage, and what else? Oh, maple syrup. You're Canadian too? Oh my gosh. Wait. Yeah, you're Canadian. It's crazy. And there. There you go, Rafu. Anyone here? No. No. No, and no. Okay. Are there any people in there? There's a person. Oh, you got this? Okay. Is there a person in room 5? Is that why there's a red thing? Oh, that's Rafu. Never mind. Wait, do I have to give him more stuff? No, he's just recovering. Okay. Let's do this. Oh no, it's him. You know, I don't like you. But there's the coffee, because I know I don't like you, but I don't want you to harm me, so here's some coffee. I need some coffee. You still like coffee? Ooh, chocolate. Cost $1. Kidding me? Okay, coffee's brewing. Now, gotta check in some patients. Anyone here? No, no. You! Hello! What's up? I will check the can. And that is not normal. No. No, no, no. He was bad on cams. Yeah. New person. Hello. Checks cam scan. Okay, she's normal on cams. Now, boom, bam, bop. Okay. Okay, and done. Here you go. Coffee. Still haven't drinking. Yo, what's that noise? Is it you? Okay. Look, bro. You're taking all my coffees. I don't care. Go away. Go away. Go. I don't like your hat. Why do your eyes look like that when I'm over here? Go away. No. We don't want to. Go away. But we're forced to, so let's do it. Yeah, we are the best. No, where's the patient? Okay, room 4. Okay, DNA. Yes. I'll be in another room. Anyone over here? No. Okay, what do you want? Dried eyes. Okay, got eye drops. Here you go. And just you check the keys. Okay. Why does he got blue feet? Those shoes. Those are some weird looking shoes, man. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Go away. I don't care you have an appointment. Please go away. Yeah, leave, leave, go. Can someone here? Okay, taking care of that. I'll take this. I need some coffee. Okay, no. No, customer. Customer, no. No, please. Oh, man. Picture. Okay. You normal? No, no, no. Go away. Yeah. Yeah. Rejected. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Ooh. Go away. Oh, it's you. Okay. Do this. You need a coffee too? I need coffee. I'm the one who needs coffee, bro. No, someone died. Okay. Ooh. No. Yes, I can. Go away. Someone died? Oh, hello, Maggie. Okay, you look normal. Yeah. Okay. I want to do surgery on someone. Oh. Okay. Now, I'll take care of this person. Yeah, myths are real. Oh, there's someone in here. Oh, surgery. Can I do surgery on you? I'm doing surgery! Yes. Get in. Get in. Sit down. Or lay down. I don't know. Okay, boom. Okay. UV drops. Let's go. Med kit. Don't die on me, bro. Scissor. Band-aid. Steak transplant? What? Okay. Med kit. Organ. Wait. Okay. I did it! Let's go! Doctor's arriving. Someone made a poo-poo on the floor? Ew. Disgusting. Or is that booger? I don't know. Some patients may seem unstable. Yeah, like you. I mean, you're not a patient, but you're unstable. Go away. Yeah, I do. Go away. Ooh, what was that? 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 What? Did you see that? That was creepy. Yeah, it was the best. Let's go. Now this coffee's gonna be for me. This is for me. Yeah. Yeah. Have some half-drinking coffee. Yeah, I'll take a picture of you. Yep. How do I take a picture? It's not working. It's glitching something. Take photo. Bro. Yeah. Take the photo. I don't want that. You look weird in the photo. Go away. Anyone coming? The shop is open. Teddy bear. Oh, I'm broke. Oh, I'll have this one. I'm not too broke for that. Okay. Check the cans. Both of you are normal on cans. Yeah. Both of you are normal on cans. Boom. Bam. Normal. Okay. You're normal too. Great job, guys. Actual normal people for once. Okay. I'll take care of them. You don't like the way I look at you. Maybe it's because those weird shoes. Weird shoes. Okay. Wait. Okay. It's on the ceiling again. Look. See that? That's not normal. Really not normal. Hey. Dehydration. Just drink water! Why did you come to the doctor? For dehydration. Just drink water. Or Gatorade. I don't know, you allergic to water? Fire started in room 5. No. Okay. I was ready. And I got a little burnt. Wait a second, I could just do this. Okay, I need a coffee. Because I gave all of them to stupid Barney. Wait, is that guy dying? Okay. Hurry! No, I want to get my coffee. That was some nice coffee. Okay. Here you go. Is your real name Ron from accounting? Oh, it's right. Okay. Matthew, my dude, what's up? The people with suitcases are hiding secrets, like Barney and Dr. Harlow. Yeah, they're evil, I know. Something evil's going on here. Yep, I know. Stay alert. Sure. Hey, boom, bam, bop. Bada bing, bing, pow. Okay. I'll take care of Raphew. Go. Your family doesn't know you're here? Where is your family? Oh, someone's in here. Hi, Ron. From counting. Okay. Red, blue, green, red. Red, blue, green, red. Okay. Taking care of your bones. Let's see if you have any breaks or fractures in your bones. Let's see. Oh, you have a rash, bleeding, and dehydration. Why do you need an x-ray for that? Oh my gosh. Okay. This and this. Nope, not eye drops, UV drops. Let's go. Patient on fire! Don't worry, I've got this. Where's the patient that's on fire? Go! B! Go away. You! That was close. Open! Bro! I didn't reject you! You gotta be patient! Oh, it's you again. Oh my god. If you ask for more coffee... Oh my... This isn't a Starbucks! This is a hospital! Oh my gosh. Okay... Fire started? Are you kidding? Bro, take this coffee and just... Where's the fire? Where's the fire? Oh, in here. Ow. Ow. The fire hurts. Ow. Bro. Why is my job so hard? I just want a coffee. Barney? You want a scalpel? Oh my gosh. I hate Barney. Someone's dying in here? Oh, there's no one even in here. Okay, scalpel. Got a scalpel. Let's give it to stupid Barney. There you go, stupid Barney. I'm not your friend. And I won't cook my coffee back. Suitcase? Okay, take it. I don't want it. I want coffee too. Parson. Okay, let me check the keys. Okay. Duke? Like Dookie? Dookie King? Yeah, I'll stop making fun of you. Sorry, man. Okay. Perfect. Guarantee? Okay. Oh, there's a lot of people. Wait, don't go in there. You're gonna die. First, I gotta get him some maple syrup. Here you go. You're welcome. Monster. The monster disappeared. Okay. What do you need? Other than new shoes. Maple syrup. I literally had it. Why did the monster take it from me? I've got maple syrup. Where? Oh my goodness. Why did she make me do it? The one with the eyeballs? Okay. Doctor's arriving again. There's been a huge anomaly attack. 6 people died and many more were hurt. Oh no. Be prepared. The ambulance is coming. Woo! You're not really scary, man. Okay. I want coffee. I want coffee. Oh, coffee. Oh my gosh. 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 I'll follow you. Okay, surgery, let's go. Okay, what do you want? What do you want? UV drops. There. Steak transplant. Okay. Med kit. Okay. Antibiotic. Okay. Heart. Okay. Scissor. Med kit. Antibiotic. Okay. Scissor. Kit. Antibiotic. Okay. Boom. I've done it. Let's go. This room. Okay. Okay. Let's go. I've never done this room before. A monster emerged. Okay. So bad at this. So slow. Okay. Get a better heart rate, man. Breathe. Just breathe, man. So I don't have to do this. Okay, heart scan complete. Okay, what do you need? Is that it? Oh, I need a coffee so bad. Where's the coffee? I really need this coffee. If you take it from me, oh my gosh. Coffee. No. Give me coffee. I need coffee. Brew faster. Bye. Okay, I've got it. Yeah. Why? Oh no, 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 no. It's gonna left. Charge up. I have done it. I put out the fire and I am amazing. Now I can finally drink my coffee. Let's do this. Okay, DNA samples. So I hope you're okay since you got like kind of burnt with crisp by the fire. No! 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 Get away! Knock it off! Knock it off! Yo, what? Yo! Yo, 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 yo! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Oh! Why am I dead like that? No! Come see my body. No. Ooh. Why am I still moving? Okay. Thanks for watching this. Goodbye.